All right, so this call we are going through the Capstone project, and I have Prince on the other side. Prince, say hi.
Hello guys, hi.
Yeah, so we are just going through. We've done the review already, so we're just going through the work. I want you to see what they've done, so you can see the effort they put in doing this awesome work. Okay, so I have Prince with me, and we are going to go through this together and we share what they have done. So the first on my list, with no particular order, I have Elizabeth's work. And I think let's start from my homepage. So I think this is looking good to me, looking very, very nice. Giving you so Prince, what do you have to say about this site?
It's actually very catchy, because this first of all is going to catch your attention if you come here. And then you have the sections that they are going to go through. So if you're going to introduction, you're going to obtain the API key. The boxes are clearly listed out for you, so you know where you're going to directly. And there's also the top navigation menu too that takes you straight to the API reference if you're going there. So I think this is good. This is very, very nice. Stands her work, makes her work stand out.
Yeah, and I don't think you've seen these use cases.
Oh,
This is so cool.
oh,
Like,
this goes even way beyond our normal API references here every day. This
yes,
shows that she took time to design this page. You know,
yeah, she took her time. And when I saw this as first, I was like, whoa. What I asked her was like, have you been a designer? She said, yes. I said, okay. I think you got some trade of that. So I think on the education page, she killed it. The API endpoints killed
those
it.
use of images was very good too. For that authentication page you checked out right now.
Yes, yes. I shouldn't use so much of it. Everything was so on point. And I think with this has also the versioning section. If you want to go through to the login, I think if you click this login, it takes you to TMDB login and you log in straight. So that's so cool. So I think the next is Starlight and that's Gloria. So Gloria has done
Does she
all.
have a homepage too? I don't think she has a
Yeah,
homepage.
no, they don't have any home page. Yeah, everybody with their own style. So I think the endpoint is 150. That's a lot.
A
150,
lot.
150, and everything is on an open API spec file. Jeez, I don't think I can
Yeah.
do
I
that.
don't think people realize the amount of work that goes in here because the first part is actually creating a spec file, right? Then once you create that, now uploading it here, and then you have to do the customization of this Spintify itself. So it's a lot. It's really a lot, and they tried.
Yeah, that's a lot. Getting started page with the annotation and also using the UI component, this step and all that. That's so
Yes.
cool. That's so cool.
The eye-catching feature that I saw in both works now from Elizabeth and this one is the use of the icons. The icons
Yeah,
flows very well. Yeah, many. Yeah.
exactly. The icons like so weird. The bug, the rate limiting with this one. No. That's so cool that they killed it. So the next we have is no other person than Messi.
Mhm.
So the icons are cool. The fonts are so cool
That
too.
is the first. You will notice that this work is different once you see the font.
Yeah,
She's not relying on the normal Liquify font. She went ahead to change that, and that's actually very eye-catching too.
yeah. And also with the cards, using the cards very well. So you come to the page and okay, I can navigate from here to here, the versioning and application. And again with the drop down, so she has a different style. She doesn't want to do everything on one page. So I don't want to stress my users. I just want to see this and click on this, and you'll be able to see the other part of it.
Hopefully, the user is smart enough to know that it's a drop down. We don't know
Yeah,
what the user does.
the users are always different. User
Yes.
you give A to B, user will go from B to A.
They just do whatever they want. So we try you when you're creating this, we just have it at the back of our mind that we don't do this. to suit them. But hopefully our users are smart though. Or our users are smart.
Yeah. So you click on the change log. She used the exact change log feature on Mentlify, and
Sure.
this is so cool. Very clean.
Mhm.
Now, one thing I noticed again is the she has two sections of these stocks, and which is actually working. So she created two sections of it. So the version
Wow.
when you click on version 4.0, you see that the change log is gone.
Now this she took her time with this. She actually took her time with this. This is very neat.
Yeah, and again this page, the getting started section that has different languages. Click with this tab, and this is not the normal tab that comes with Mentlify.
So this is customizable. She customized it herself.
Yes, exactly. That's
Hmm.
so cool. It's not a, it's not a normal thing to do.
Shout out to you, Messi. Yeah, shout out to you, Messi. Shout out to you.
It's not as in it's not something easy to do. So the ladies are killing it. Wait. Ladies are killing it. Jesus Christ. So we started with net. Jeez, man. Man, we're
Let's see what
living
the
the.
guys have to do now.
I pray, man. I pray. This is cool. So we'll go back to this. You have a change log. That's awesome.
We didn't go through the API reference.
Yeah. So the API reference is quite different from the others.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So she has a different style to
Very
this.
style, very smart style too. Very smart.
Yeah, you come to the docs, you have the list of icons and the icons, like the API reference has icons on it. So man,
Mhm.
you are changing the whole idea of API reference. So that's the word
Totally.
that's the word living. Things change, and the font also affected it, and so cool. Very good explanations to the parameters and more.
Yeah,
Wow.
and I think that the way they did this examination set has to come first from their Open API spec file. So they did the explanations there before they populated it here. So this is actually a lot. This is very great work. So shout out to you, Messi.
Yeah, that's a lot, man. Shout out Mercy. So the next person I have is not a person than Olubisi, the mommy of the house.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mommy of the house. So nice with the icons. So
Yes,
cool.
that's the first thing I has caught my eye. The use of icons. Her
Yeah,
font is very easy on the eyes. I don't think she uses the same font as well. If you notice very well, it feels a bit different, or is it me?
yeah. Okay, let's go back to let's check Gloria. I think this font's the same. I don't know.
Yes,
Maybe I'm
yes,
getting the
you're seeing it, right? There's
yeah.
something different there.
This one looks a bit big. The font looks different. This one looks a bit big. Maybe she reduced the size. She okay,
Yeah, there
this
was
mess.
something she did. Yes, there's something she did to her font, but it's a bit easy on the eyes. It's nice
Yeah,
too.
yeah, it's not hard on the eyes. Whoa. Whoa, nice one, mommy of the house. So
Mm.
same with Messi. Very cool. Now look at what you did. You get your key, you add your key here, and you try it. Man, I love this style.
Okay,
So click.
hold on. Let's check out that moving the tabs again. Right, moving the tabs is different. Like, okay, now this is very cool. It's changing exactly with the code. It feels this cause was this customized too? I think
Yes,
this is
customize like
customized
this
too.
doesn't come like this is not a
Oh,
normal Mentify stuff.
this is beautiful.
So like they've made people know that Mentify is good to use. So I think we need to reach out to the Mentify team. Hey guys, people have done way more than you can imagine with your tool
Yeah, I think they need to see this. They need to see this.
because this is cool. Like this is so cool. Now you get your key from here. When you're done, get and My laptop hanging. Maybe no problem. So let's see when we have okay. So when you're done getting your keys, comes authorization, put your
Mhm.
key, and that's it. You try it. Man, this is cool. Now the endpoint on point, added everything necessary and needed.
Now that's very valuable, right? Adding that first page before before the endpoint. So whatever you need for the endpoint, I think it's found in the how to generate
You,
session ID. Yep.
yeah, and again the journey is on point. So imagine authentication coming before account when you need a few
Authentication
parameters
first.
to
Yeah.
try out. So cool. So cool. Whoa. I
We've
love
not tried
it.
anybody's light mode. It seems like it's just default for everybody to use dark mode.
Yeah, I'm putting on glasses. I don't want to try light mode.
Yes.
See, still looking good on light mode.
Yep.
Man. So the ladies are killing it. I think the next on my list. Okay. Sir Josh.
Okay.
So this is the first guy to try and his work. Cool.
Okay.
Same with the
Use of
icons.
icons is very beautiful too. Yeah.
You also use the
Mm.
steps very well.
Notice he
Authentication.
added the link to the Postman collection and the Open API Spec collection at the top of the navigation there.
Yeah. So if you want to go get
Yep.
his, let me, you want to get this one, you go and see his OS file to get it. If you want to go on Postman, you go also on his own site and go and get it. So if you don't feel like you don't want to try it here, you can go try it on Postman or you copy the
Directly to
open it
Postman.
and try it anywhere you want to try it.
Hmm.
Whoa. So I think people need to click that place so they'll see the amount of work. Maybe if you look at this, you would think it's easy. What's here?
It's
What's there?
easy.
You can't say that now when looking at them is easy. But it's
Very good
cool.
use of annotations there.
Yes. The quick starts. Nice. So the API section. Oh, okay. With the okay now a few of them didn't add this drop down and yeah, they did drop down. And the drop down is
Mm.
cool. So you're on the same page, you're seeing the drop down. It looks very nice.
And his order of arranging this, I think, is alphabetical. He used alphabetical order to arrange the endpoints. So if you notice, A goes before, there's no B, there's a
Yeah,
C, D, where that's very nice too.
yeah, yeah. That I'm good to do. Yeah, because I think the only probably main journey that should follow is authentication accounts. Then the rest, I
Hmm.
think, we don't have so much dependencies over the other.
Yeah.
So, whoa, nice. This is a lot of work. A lot of work. Okay, so the next on my list, is another person than a Dune.
Oh, this navigation, that navigation is something else.
Edun went outside the hole. In short, he just left us and Piap traveled because this is not looking like me. Like we know how Metlify looks like. Like you
Mm.
can't tell that Metlify is not possible. Okay, let's probably go back. So this see look at where the search is. I think here they have the search here. This one also has a search here. Let us see this one also has a search here. Then we are now looking at a Dune's work. He brought it to a different place.
Mm-hmm.
Changing has its postman collection. Cool, popular and trending. Nice icon. Now also with this, you can see the movement is with a different,
Mm-hmm.
very nice.
It's following. Yes.
Whoa, using the API. Nice category title. The images in this. So you click on API reference to have your introduction, use of
Oh,
card.
very,
And
very beautiful use of card and icons.
now you're following, when you're done with this one, you go here, the third one and the fourth one. Nice. So nice. Authentication and with the icons too. The drop down is so cool. So cool. So different. Yeah, and most important thing is well arranged and
Mm-hmm.
also the descriptions are on point. Ah,
This is good. Oh,
oh, whoa.
the change log is beautiful.
They don't kill it, man. They don't kill it. This is so cool. Whoa, man. That's so you have the support and you have the service. Man, it's cool.
The boys are killing. Okay, Edu is the only boy for now, so he's killing it. Let's see. Okay, Josh, we've seen Josh.
Josh. You forgot
Okay,
Josh.
the boys are killing it too. Okay, the boys are killing it. They are holding their end down.
Yeah. So the
Okay,
next one we have is Angel.
okay, another lady.
Yeah, so Angel also killed it too. Like great work. The API endpoint, she documented all of them, the 150 of them. That's I can't imagine. I can't imagine at all.
the,
150.
the the amount of work that has gone into this assignment is a lot because you have to first study the API and then you start creating the open API spec file and then you move on to deploying it to Mintlify and then you move on to customizing it on Mintlify, you know. So this is a lot of work going in here, a whole lot of work.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. Because can't imagine.
Mm.
Can't imagine myself doing 150. And somehow, something breaks along the line, you just lose 50. Ooh.
Ooh. Or let's say when you're working with Open, because Open API can be it's really tricky, very when if you don't have a good system, you know. So let's say
Yeah,
you have it's slowing you down and you have 150 endpoints you're documenting. So you know that your that file alone is going to be very big. And once you open it, there's an error. Once you're trying to rectify it, it takes time to lag. Ah, it's something else.
that's something else. And they maneuver, the few of them maneuvered such, I'll call it to balance, such, such storm and still arrived at this.
I think I had people in my DM complain about errors they were getting in VMS. Like,
Yes. Errors are so much like they are crying every day, like, hey, can I finish it? And now you have most of them finishing everything. So who has this word? Oh, Motunrayo. Motunrayo. And again, if you notice the names they use, Rayo Kun, I think you have Angel, the Mentlify, you have Emilio June, the Mentlify, I think you have Sir Josh, the Mentlify. Let's say Bitcoin, the Mentlify, Ilo Lami, I hope I pronounce it very well, the Mentlify, Starlight. Starlight is giving me Astrolight.
exactly, exactly.
Dev Lees. Okay, so everybody know that you're Dev and you're the Lees type. But it was sounding as kind of Dev to me. Moturayo, that's cool.
Let's check
Completed.
out her documentation section. Okay, very bold.
Oh, okay. She also did this,
Mm,
customized it and completed everything, added the whole languages. That's cool.
very,
The
very nice.
icons also well on point. That's nice. Doing all 150 of them, API essentials. So the FAQ.
I
Cool,
don't
very
think
nice.
we've taken about the FAQ. This FAQ is fine.
Very, very fine.
It's very good.
So I think they have roadmap. Okay, they have direct them. We have version 1 and 4. Nice one, nice one. And if you notice, they change a few of them change their icon, so it's not
Mm-hmm.
fire
It's not a
icons.
normal Mintlify icon. Yep.
Yeah, that's cool. So who do you have here? TVC giving me television vibe.
Mm-hmm. TVC news.
TV station were like, hey, you guys are
Do you know what I just clocked in my head? TVC stands for the Victoria Company. I mean Temitope Victoria Company. That's Temitope's writing company. That's her
yeah,
initials.
yeah.
Hmm.
So let her go and drag with normal TV. Take them to court. You're using my name. All right. So we have I think TVC is Benson
Okay.
API status. Oh, it takes you to give the status of the APIs. Okay. Let's go. Community. You have the guide, the API icon, possible errors, and the use of cards.
Very good use of components.
Yeah, yeah, they really tried. They really tried to kill that part.
There's
Uh,
one beautiful thing about documentation that separates it from normal blog post and writing is the ability for you to use beautiful components to make your work beautiful and easy to follow through. Because
yeah,
if you just have write-ups everywhere, it's hard to follow through, right?
boring, man, boring. How
Yes, it's
boring.
documentation already. Don't make it boring. Don't make it sad. Spice it up, you know.
Spice it, man, because that's just the fun of it. Imagine you have
Mm.
an API doc and you can try it out. You just have
Mm.
write up everywhere. It's boring
And
now.
And with I think what Josh did, the part that he added a link to his Postman collection is for people that are skeptical about trying it out directly on platforms like this, right? If you have other needs that you wanted to do, Josh was the only person I've seen. Okay, Josh and
Look at you. This
Emiloju,
one,
Edu,
Ben also added his own OSS here. I think
yeah, like
was his name? I think this one. Yes. So he added his own Postman collection.
yes. So if you're not comfortable with trying it out here, you go straight to the Postman collection and play with it how you want. You know, that's very, very good. Thinking for the user, for the developer. Yep.
Allocated, man. So I think the last on our list, is Ikma.
Okay.
Ikma. So she also completed 150 points.
This is actually really a lot of endpoints.
150. At least if I could scroll down, you would see that this is a lot
Ooh.
to them to do. And again, she was mixing this whole stuff then with exams. So and she
Mhm.
finished it. So
Shout out
kudos.
to you, Ikma. Shout out to you, Ikma.
Shout out because a lot of people will just drop it and no,
Yep.
I won't do this. But when she finished the exam,
Let's
she ran through to finish it up.
let's check out her documentation section.
Yeah, so I think she didn't have so much here.
Hmm.
So she focused more on this the API.
Okay. And
When,
that is fine. That's
yeah,
fine.
she finished it up, man. She killed it. So now, and one thing again, I told them is to work on their README. So probably we use one as example. So we
Okay.
have one from DevLeaks. So if you go on this GitHub repo, you get to see this work. Now she finished work here. Like she killed it. She's killing it everywhere, everywhere. So this is the example of what Beyonce says. We're on the world, girls, because the Bliss is running the world of API docs. In the world of API docs.
Josh. I hope Josh, Benson, and Edun, I hope three of you are listening because three you are the only guys here, right? I hope people are listening. Make your GitHub repos amazing, right? Take note from Elizabeth, please.
Devlis. So no need to call that Elizabeth. I think calling Elizabeth maybe sounds somehow. I think Devlis.
All right, take notes from them, please.
Oh man. So I think first is a link to our docs. Second is a link to Mentify. Then the other one is a link to the TMDB documentation, current documentation. Then she now listed at the process. Now the process existing docs audit, audited docs, test, the endpoint to Postman, I tested 100 plus. Wow. Wow. You know what that means? To test
Mm.
100 plus. And they're all working.
Yep.
Whoa. And there's a video. Let me see.
Okay,
Whoa.
I don't think there's a sound.
There's no sound. So, in case you want to doubt, watch it for yourself. So, exporting to OpenAPI spec file. When they're done, they exported it. Building the docs, Amplify, and link to the final docs. Man.
Just in case you thought the process was easy
Yeah,
and you
yes.
have to think again. Think
Yeah, man.
again, please.
Think again, because this is cool. Like, this is so, so cool. So, man, I don't know what to say. I just have to say thank you, every one of you that have worked on this Capstone project. You've put in your best. You guys have done amazing. You people are amazing. More amazing than I think you are, because I can't. I'm just saying this for you. 150. I've not done that in my life before. 150. Work, work on open API. If it's to do, maybe let's say use README to use their normal editor, you're done with it. And the main essence of the spec file is, so if you want to migrate from one docs platform to the other, 2 seconds you're up, and these guys
Mhm.
killed it. I don't know what to
Excellently
say.
well.
I'm short of words, man. I don't know if Prince should have more to say, because me, I'm short of words.
When we created the assignment for them, I don't even know what we're thinking, right? Because the goal behind it was to make it as challenging as possible. But I think we they said, okay, we can do this, right? They came up and they did it. And they did it excellently well because the results have been remarkable. Like, it's one thing for you to do something and just do it. But with what we've gone through now, you can see that they actually put in their time and effort in creating excellent work. So shout out to every single person. Shout out to all 10 of you. You are amazing.
Man, they are so, 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 so great. Like, I'm stunned right now, because I don't know how they did that. And with the customization coming from most of them, you can imagine what they were thinking. They went out of the box, made Mentlify. Mentlify is now looking like, only like,
Midify looks like a combination of Dockersaurus, really, with combination of everything. I'm like, how do you
eh,
put everything together? Please, this is not the Midify I used to know.
this is not the Mentlify I used to know. You're the shadow of yourself. This one is got more
Shadow of
than like,
itself.
this one is Maxify you, because there is no mint, there is no meaning inside there. Oh. It's Maxify,
Mhm,
because this is
mhm.
this is higher, man. And the use of the icons, the use of the UI components, and for a few of
Yep.
them that went as far as using the UI component to even customize the UI component. I say, my God.
I see you, Messi. Messi, shout out to you. Shout out to you.
Shout out to Messi. Like, you looked at the Mentlify UI icon and say, I will change you.
Oh,
And I think what's the name again? Olubisi also customize, and also shout out to Devleys, because changing the
that,
UI, the
yes,
homepage.
that homepage. First of all, I didn't even think that was possible.
I've used Mentlify for a while though, and when I said, how did you people turn Mentlify to me? And it's looking like some, sometimes like README. If you look at README docs, you like just may looking at it like, this docs from README.
Yes, you
It's
can
not
read me. Yeah, you know.
Mentlify when I would like this from, but looking at it, you like, no, 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 no. These people, they went above and beyond.
Mhm.
They followed Elon Musk. They went to Mars, collect ideas. And it doing, on the other hand, man, finished work with the customization.
Oh,
Why the sidebar is looking so different.
The
He's
moment you open his work, you will know. You will
yeah,
know.
and also with the change of font for Fiore that changed font, changed
Mm.
man, I like they killed it, and I'm so much happy. So I think this is a message to the new people that want to join the product documentation program. You can see for yourself. You see the work, see how cool the work is. So I think
You
maybe
know,
sorry.
the beautiful part about this is watching people that don't have an idea of doing something, and after a period of time become very good at it. And this is where they have found themselves. It's very beautiful to see. I'm very proud of them, and I can't believe that we started this journey and this with these people not knowing this, and then now they are really good at it. You know, so it's I'm very proud. I'm very proud. I take pride in it, and I take pride in them. And this is a
Yeah,
very good moment.
yeah, like I said, because first if you didn't even know, you tell them we were talking about the whole stuff, they'll watch the videos on YouTube and come back with lots of questions and but now look at where they are. They can do the undo. You give them it,
Mhm.
they will change it. Give them something that don't have life, they will put life
Yeah.
inside. Man, I'm super proud of all of them. They've done wonderfully well. I think the
Mhm.
next program, whatever we took to give them this capstone, I think we need to take that stuff again for the product documentation capstone project, or even take times two of that.
It's it, I don't know, but I think that the period documentation has will have will be better than this because we have experience with them. So with whatever shortcomings we had with this program, we're not now going to repeat it in the period documentation. And we're just only going to get better. So I think that I have high expectations for them. They should just come prepared. Yeah, they should come prepared and ready to learn.
They come prepared, they'll come with all the arsenals, come with everything.
It's going to be tough. Oh. If you see people doing more than 50 endpoints, just get yourself ready. You're going to do a lot of work, you
I think,
know.
yeah, they will do a lot of work, but I think they are ready for it. And one thing I like about this set is they're ready to help each other.
Hmm.
They they've turned to family. People, there is no competition. I don't think anybody was trying to compete with anybody. We are just trying. They are just trying to learn, trying to be
Yep.
better, trying to be good. And while helping each other, they're also trying to do that. Nobody's trying to. Nobody's doing race stuff here, car race. Everybody's just trying to learn, and that's what I love about them on Discord. Like you see, now they're always trying to assist each other, have separate
Mhm.
calls on their own. Even on Sundays, they are dropping. I'm seeing Google Google
Yeah, we
Meet
see
links.
links. Yeah, and that's the one we can see on the channel, you know.
Yeah, I was wondering what's wrong with these guys. I said, let me join one of these days, and I joined then, and I was seeing somebody talking. This one was doing. I said, on a Sunday, these guys. That's so cool, and all those things paid off. Now look at the work.
Hmm.
Cool. So for me, shout out to every one of you that have done so much, putting so much energy. I'm so happy. And in every program, we have those that won't finish for one reason or the other, personal, whatever. I also shout out to you for also joining the program and also learning because I can't really tell why you didn't finish up. You know,
Yeah.
I know some might be personal, some might be emergency, and some somewhat different. So but I hope what you've seen so far, and if you have the freedom again, you can join the next API Docs program and try to finish. Because and I've joined several programs even while learning. A lot of people won't finish. We have like one like Andela, then we'll have like I think 500 people will join the program. 20 will finish.
Hmm.
20 will finish. For those that dropped off because of maybe health, some emergencies, maybe school, maybe family issues, and somewhat different stuff. And the ones that finished up will finish. So we always tell them there is always a second chance. Program comes again, you join and try to finish up. So, but for me, these guys is great. And since they are the pioneers, they're the first set. So
Mm-hmm.
they've made it easy for other people to see. For me, shout out to them. Man.
Hopefully, for the next API cohort we're gonna have, maybe they might even be your mentors. You don't know. So,
Yeah, yeah, yes, because it's always going to be a very good thing for you. You've learned, you've grown, and teaching is by being a mentor and being a very good at what you do is also teaching because the more you teach, the more you learn. So who
Mhm.
knows? They might be a mentor, and they might even be more strict than we are. But I think me personally, I'm a bit soft. So
I hope they are strict. I personally hope they are.
for real, like I wish Josh is here because if Josh here strict from you, like nah. You know, I was in the call the other day. They say, "Hope please will not join." I say, "No, say thank God." I say, "Thank God, oh, please, oh, please don't join. Oh, 2 seconds, please join." Ah, the whole room scattered. Like, what's happening here? The next thing, you just showed up yourself. You said, no, we're not going to give you guys extension. I say, hey, we said it. We said it. No,
I
but
really enjoyed the program.
I hope they
I
did
love
really.
the energy they came with.
Yeah, the energy, same energy from day one. They finish with same energy.
Mhm.
So I can't wait to see them this Saturday, so we can do our end of the program party.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
that'll be so fun. All
Hmm.
right, guys, thank you so much for this. And for those watching that are not part of the program, you've seen what they have done. You've seen what the program stands for. It's an open source program, open source project that we're working on, teaching people for free, absolutely free. We gave them back their money. They won. A lot of people won stuff, won some prizes. And also in this capstone project, we still have those that will still win prizes here. So, and they've
Hmm.
learned, they've learned, and some might not be able to afford it. And trust me, what we're giving, I'm not bragging, or we are not bragging, but I don't think any program existing on planet Earth can do exactly much better what we are doing. If there is anyone, put it in the comment section because for me, I don't think
Please
there is
let
any.
us please let us know.
Yes, let us know because I don't think there is any at all. Because the ones that I know that I've seen, people kind of complain, and most are just courses. When you're done with the courses, you're off. But we have a course, we have a program. So when you're done watching the course, you come ask the mentors questions. You have dedicated assignments and much more. So, like I said, I don't think anyone of maybe Elon Musk somehow have maybe
If
so
there's a program like that, please drop it on
alien.
the comment section. I'll be looking, so
Yes,
I'll go and join.
if
I
you've
will
gone to
join.
Mars or Sun before and you see them doing API docs there, a very good program. Please give us a link. Let's follow spaceship and go there because I don't think there is anyone at all. And also with product documentation course coming up, I don't think there is anyone that would do the quality and standard. We have a high standard, and you can see for
Very
yourself.
high. Mhm.
You can see for yourself. Go to other existing documentation and look at what these people do. You know that in short, if you're looking at this, you go and look at your docs and say, I need to change my docs because
We need to
it's
update
looking like
our docs.
yes. You need to hire these guys because they will come change your work. They will make it very, very good. So I recommend them.
Mhm.
I recommend them.
I do
Pick
too.
them up
I do
first.
too.
Because right now these guys are hot. Sorry if you don't pick them right now. They all be off
By
the
the
market.
next time, by the next time you find them, they will charge you a lot.
Yeah, you can
The
pay.
price will go up. You will not be able to pay.
Stock price has gone up. You can pay them. So just go get them now because these guys are great. You can see for yourself. For me, I'm stunned. Like I'm super stunned. I'm so surprised and so happy and proud because the work we put in paid off. I am Prince, we had to put together the course. We did a lot of research, went through the work, previewed this stuff, and the mentoring part is something else. The work is out there, the mentoring. We still have weekly classes, classes that are not looking like classes.
Yes. And that
You're
actually
kind of,
made it more fun because they were comfortable with expressing themselves, talking, asking questions. The environment was conducive for them to learn.
yeah,
So
yeah. So for me, it was so cool. So shout out to everyone involved. Shout out to I Am Prince because it's not easy for us to do this, and also shout out to those that actually turned our ideas to something profitable. You can see for yourself. Some people will do something good, and people involved will make it look like that's crap. But they said no.
yep,
What you guys have done is cool, and we're going to make it look so good. And this is it.
yep,
So
yep.
for me, I'm so happy. I think right now, if I sleep, I'll sleep a happy man because I'm proud, man. I know Prince is also proud, and I
Yes.
know they wouldn't want to hear that from Prince actually, because they will feel he wants to add something behind it, like, okay, I'm proud, but you need to do an assignment.
There's
There's
no
too
assignment from my end. Don't worry. We're done. We're done. You're good.
much. So if you're watching this, you're free.
Mhm.
You can follow the front door. Yeah? You're
You're good to go. But don't go
you're
without
good
your
to.
certificate, though. Don't worry. You get your certificate.
Yeah, they will. They will get a certificate because they've earned it.
Yep.
This is not something. It's not a giveaway certificate. They worked hard for it. That's 3 months. It's not 4 months with the
Yes,
capstone.
I think so.
With the
Yes, I
capstone.
think so. Mm-hmm.
The capstone is
Mm-hmm.
4 months. And they skip December break. Oh, these guys.
Yes.
I told them no Christmas, no
After
Christmas
we
jollof.
after we told them FTCP, no break for you. They said no.
Yeah, these guys
They
think that
said no.
to chop jollof rice and chicken.
I think the
Extended
Jollof
it to
and Chicken was the motivation. It was the motivation for this excellent work. So allow.
yeah,
We
I'm
allow.
suspecting. I'm suspecting Messi ate a lot of turkey because the kind of ideas that came up.
Oh my God. My God.
And Beyonce will be happy because women run the world, man. Women run the world. They run
I
the
will save
world.
my comments on that for now.
Yeah, they run the world. We don't have an option, my brother. We're living in their world.
As I said, I'll save my comments.
Save your comment, my brother. Save it for product documentation and go and tell the
Of
new set.
course. Of course.
So maybe my advice to you, Prince, is to smile for the product docs people because they want to see you smile.
Yeah, we're not smiling. You cannot have two smiling people now. If you're smiling, me, I'll have to squeeze my face. Like, we're not here to joke.
Imagine two people smiling now, the course will turn a comedy
No,
skit.
no.
Do you think you're here to joke? So
Mhm.
maybe I need to change my advice. Be yourself, man.
Of course.
Be yourself, man. Man, you guys have seen this is how we talk on our meetings, so we are not being serious all the time actually. So we have a time to be serious. Bible said it now, there's time for everything. So time to be strict, Prince will take over, time to joke, I will come in and joke. So we are playing our roles very well, you. We're playing our roles very well.
Mhm.
Thanks, guys. So let's get set for the next phase of it.
Yep.
All right.